Alright, so now we're going to talk about eliminating the parameter. And all that means is converting from the parametric form to the rectangular form. So that means converting from x of t and y of t to x and y. And so the two steps you're going to use to figure this out are solving for t and then substituting and simplifying. So I wrote out the directions for both examples here, and it says convert to rectangular form by eliminating the parameter. And so in this case, it'd be t, but in this case, it's theta, but we'll get to that later. The first one, I've given you two equations, x equals t squared minus 4 and y equals 1/2 t. The first step you want to do is you want to solve for t, and I chose to solve for t in the y equation. So I went from y equals 1/2 t, I multiplied both sides by 2, and I isolated t and got t equals 2y. The second thing is you want to substitute and simplify. So I plugged in t right here because these two mean the same thing. So it's x equals 2y squared minus 4, and if you simplify, that comes out to x equals 4y squared minus 4, and that would be a parabola opening sideways. For the second example, you have x equals -2 plus 3 cosine theta and y equals -5 plus 3 sine theta. The first thing you want to do is you want to isolate cosine theta and sine theta. So if you add 2 and divide by 3, you get x plus 2 over 3 equals cosine theta, and y plus 5 over 3 equals sine theta. So you can use your Pythagorean identity sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, and from there you can get y plus 5 over 3 squared plus x plus 2 over 3 squared equals 1 because you plugged in for these values for sine theta and cosine theta. From here, you can continue to simplify as that's your second step. So you get y plus 5 squared over 9, so you squared the 3, plus x plus 2 squared over 9 equals 1. And for your final result, you'll get x plus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 9, and that is the equation of a circle.